Today we are talking about a 5-gallon bucket head shop vac. So the one you'll see in this video demonstration I purchased from Lowe's for $27.98, and it simply sits on top of a standard 5-gallon plastic bucket, and it comes with the vacuum hose, 2 vacuum attachments for the hose, the foam filter. So this can also work as a wet vac, and then it has a blue filter, so if you use it as a dry shop vac. So we'll unbox it now. Again, a 4-foot hose, 1.25 inch diameter. Owner's manual there. So 120 volt. There's the on-off switch. There's a blue filter bag for dry vacuuming, and the ring that holds it in place. Vacuum hose. I'll go ahead and plug it in, just give you a quick demonstration. Has a fairly long cord. I would like it to be a little bit longer, but for that price, not too bad. So you probably could use it as a blower if you needed to blow, because it has a suction intake where the hose attaches, and then there's an outtake there. So I imagine if you wanted to set it up like a blower, to blow leaves out of your garage or something, might be able to use it for that. I did not try that, so I'm not sure about that. So here it is sitting on top of a standard 5-gallon plastic bucket. It has these latches on the side that secure it to the bucket. It does have a pretty good suction. Obviously quick and easy to empty the bucket and take the head off. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.